G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to show you what I love to make with my leftover Christmas ham. If there is any. This is one of my favourite toaster sandwiches. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. So for this sandwich what I'm using is some leftover Christmas ham, an onion, some tomato, we've got some cheese here, some bread you'll need of course, the mustard of your choice, and some butter. Easy spread is best. Alright, well first of all we need to put some butter on our bread. Make sure you put plenty on too, because the benefits of butter are very well documented. It helps heal things, makes your taste buds tingle, it makes your whole life way better. Now I just need to cut up some tomato and onion, and I'm going to be using this knife that was gifted to me from one of my subscribers and friends, Gibbo. Thanks Gibbo. This knife's an absolute trooper. So look how easy it just cuts through these tomatoes. I don't even have to do anything, it does it itself. So I'm doing a few thick slices of tomato there. I do like it nice and thick. And with the onion, well, you can have it nice and thick if you want. I just cut the ends off. And I usually peel that one of the dodgy layers off. Thin's good, but onion's very good for you. So, oh mate, you can make it thick, you can make it thin. Just make sure you're putting onion on the sandwich, because it tastes so good. Alright, well now it's time to start throwing this sandwich together. So, I'll gently turn that piece of bread over. And, well, I'm using some hot English mustard. One of my favourites. It's amazing. It is very hot on your tongue and everything, but once you mix it in with stuff, it sort of tends to lose its heat a little bit. So you don't need too much. Now, we get some cheese. Next, oh boy, where do you start? Some tomato. Got to have some tomato on your tomato and onion sandwich. And my rule is, if you're ever using tomato, you got to add some salt, which is what I'll do. And you can also add some pepper too. This is white pepper. You can add black pepper if you like. I just like white pepper. It's very flavoursome. Now I'll add the onion. Keep it in the rings if you want. I just love this stuff. I just love the taste of onion. You can put as little or as much as you want on there. I'll just put about that much. Except for this extra bit that I'll fill that gap in with. Oh yeah! And now, just get the ham. We'll put that on. Oh yeah. Finish it off with another piece of cheese. Sweet as. Now it's time to cook it. Now you can either do it in your sandwich press. I like to use a frying pan for this. I've warmed it up. I'll just see. Oh, you. Well, what that is a medium heat. You don't want it too hot or you start burning everything too fast. Now I have got my butter on the outside of the bread, but I do like to just add a little bit more lubrication, just in case. And you gently, ever so gently, pick it up and put it on. And we just put the other piece of bread on there. Oh, better get that butter out to the edges a bit more. And now we just need to cook that until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. Give it a bit of a press down, nice and gently. We don't want to get rid of all that butter, we want to keep it nice on top. Now I am seeing a little bit of smoke there. Well, gee, I think I might have burnt it. Oh, a great one. Oh no, that's looking good. I need to turn it down a bit. And when it's over this side, this is when you can give it a really nice press down. Oh boy, be careful though, because that could be hot. So now we just need to wait for the cheese to melt, and oh yeah. Alright, let's have a bit of a peek underneath and see if it's nice and brown under there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Alright, well I'd say that's ready to eat. Now with your toasted sandwich, you don't want to be flipping it over and over and over, because everything just falls out. But there's the other side. It's looking fantastic. I'll cut it in half with the gibbo knife. Now, do you usually go this way? Do you usually go this way? Or do you usually go this way? Let me know down below. I like to go this way. One of my favourite sandwiches in the world. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Well, I love the taste of this sandwich. And at this time, I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I hope 2024 is the best year of your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.